Hello friends, welcome. I'm Faraz, your host and host for today, and today I'm going to share you an exciting news which I have already shared it to you. You might have seen on my thumbnail video, and we are going to do this unboxing video. So I have put an poll on the YouTube community asking all of you. So finally you said yes, you should post this video. So I'm doing this for all of you over here. And thank you everybody. Thanks to God, thanks my family, my friends, and all the people. Thank you Microsoft for recognizing me as a Microsoft most valuable professional for the contributions I have done. And this is an amazing feeling I can't express. By the way, I received this box 2 days before, and I have to open this box. I was so curious to open it, but I want to find the right time to make a video for all of you and to open it. So let us start unboxing it, and let's see what's inside this beautiful box, and it's for all of us. Okay guys, so I have set up a few things. This is my front camera, which is going to take my live reactions, and I have another camera which will give a close-up look of this box, this beautiful box. So let's go and quickly do that. Okay, so let me pull this off, and as soon as I open that, I got this lovely MVP logo, and it shows Microsoft. That's beautiful, it's really lovely. I wish, oh my god, that is amazing. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So once I open this box, this is amazing, this looks really beautiful. This is Microsoft over here and most valuable professional award. So let's go and open it. Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. So it says this is a certificate which I received, and it says that for Microsoft most valuable professional, and really lovely. It says for office apps and services, signed by Satya Narade. Thank you Satya. Wow, this is fantastic. And then it shows what are the benefits and everything. And okay, oops, there's a card over here. So this is a card which you get it along with this MVP kit. And yes, by the way, mvp.microsoft.com, if you hit that mvpmicrosoft.com, and if you go and search in your region which are the MVPs, you can grab those MVP names. So you can just go and search for Saudi Arabia region, then you'll find my name over there. And if you search for India or anywhere, you can find the MVP in your region. Cool. So this is a card, and I think maybe I'm able to access somewhere with those cards. And this is the label pin. Okay, cool. And oh, by the way, oops, wow. Okay, so this is a magnetic pin. This is beautiful. It says MVP Microsoft Most Valuable Professional 2022. And you can see, oh, that's quite hard magnet. So this looks beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so as soon as you open the box, it says thank you, and lovely. Okay, so let us quickly remove this. And okay, I have some documentation over here. So I'm sure that in this box we have that award. So there's a documentation, and okay, I'm going to read that later on. Okay, so here are the stickers. Yes, that MVP stickers, lovely, lovely. So I'm going to read that documentation later on. And just let us keep this aside. Okay. It's time for that moment, that special moment. Let us open. Wow. That is lovely. That is lovely. Really beautiful. Subhanallah. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. This is so good. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is really pretty. Really pretty. And you get this award ring which says for the which year you have been awarded that MVP, and you just put it like this. Perfect. Wow, that's really beautiful, really beautiful. So MVP, Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. This is amazing, you know, it's really beautiful. If you see this over here, you get that word, you know, it says that we recognize your valuable exceptional contribution to the technical community and worldwide. It says MVP. The color is really beautiful. Just love it. Wow. So I hope, my friends, you have enjoyed this video. So, and make sure that you like it, share my channel, subscribe it, because we are going to do a lot of stuff, because great power comes with great responsibility. So it's not just an award, it's a responsibility and it is a power. And as I said you right now, great power comes with great responsibility. So going to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.